I'm Marcy.
And I'm Larry.
And we are homeowners on this beautiful property in Polk County.
We had 25-year-old cedar siding that was literally starting to rot. Cedar siding required a lot of maintenance. Every 3 or 4 years I had to paint this whole place. I was just getting tired of that expensive and hard maintenance. We needed probably some help in replacing the siding, and so we contacted Krumm.
So we had a very good recommendation from a family member who had chosen them, and we trusted their searching. They were a good choice, and we were right. They were a good choice.
People arrived on time, they did a good job, the estimates were spot on, they just did a good job.
The consultant from Krumm came out in a timely fashion, answered all our questions, came up with a reasonable quote. We were very satisfied.
His depth of knowledge about the product and the process was extraordinary. He really knew what he was talking about. When Krumm started the project, they arrived on time. They were very professional, very quick, and after the job was done, they made sure everything was cleaned up. The home exterior, it just looks great. There's really not much more to say. As I walk around and look at what was accomplished and done, I'm just amazed.
The legacy is that the house will stay like this for a long time and nobody will have to worry about maintenance, and we wanted that, not just for ourselves, but for our family.
I would say if anyone's looking for exterior remodeling, there'd be no reason to consult anyone else but Krumm based on our experience.